In a world where the balance of power is shifting faster than ever, two global giants are forging an alliance that could redefine modern warfare. Russia and China are entering a new era of cooperation, and the battlefield in Ukraine is their testing ground. Recent, shocking reports claim Russian forces are now using advanced Chinese radar systems to hunt Ukrainian drones. It's not just a partnership. It's a real-time test of their combined military tech against Western-backed forces. And NATO needs to be more alert than ever. The days when wars were won by tanks and fighter jets alone are over. Today's conflicts are fought with speed, precision, and information. Drones, small, agile, and deadly, have become the new eyes and ears of modern armies. For a long time, Ukraine's skillful use of drones for reconnaissance and attacks gave it a crucial advantage. But now, it seems Russia has found a powerful countermeasure, and it's powered by Chinese innovation. Let's look at the specifics. China's state-of-the-art radar systems, identified as the FSTL-DO2 and FSTL-D-Setotry, are reportedly now supporting Russia's air defense units. These systems, built by Zhangfeng Technology, are designed to detect even the smallest, most elusive flying objects. The FSTL-DO3, for instance, can track a drone from 15 kilometers away with an accuracy of just 10 meters. The smaller HLDO2 has a detection range of 10 kilometers. Together, they create a formidable new shield in the skies. What makes this even more significant is where they're being deployed. These compact all-weather systems are already integrated into Russia's 22nd Air Defense Missile Regiment, part of the 11th Army Corps. This isn't just about adding new gear. It's a fundamental shift in Russia's defense strategy. By directly linking these radars with FPV drone interception units, Moscow has built a seamless, coordinated anti-drone network. Radar operators and drone pilots now work in perfect sync. The result, a system that is fast, precise, and lethally efficient. But the collaboration between Moscow and Beijing goes far deeper than just radar. Leaked internal documents from Russia's defense conglomerate, Rostec, reveal an astonishing level of integration. Chinese electronic warfare systems have been operational inside Russia since at least August 2023, protecting military airfields and other key installations from Ukrainian drone strikes. This isn't just a simple trade deal. It's a fully functional military-industrial ecosystem. Chinese research labs develop the technology, Chinese factories manufacture it, logistics firms handle the delivery, and even Chinese insurance companies back the supply chain. In Russia. These systems are tested and refined on the Ukrainian battlefield under the direct supervision of Russia's Ministry of Defense. Why is this a game? Because China's systems are not only advanced but also remarkably cheap and quick to produce. Russia gets access to cutting-edge technology at a low cost and in massive quantities. This combination of high-tech innovation and low-cost mass production gives them a serious advantage over Western defense industries, which are often slower, more bureaucratic, and far more expensive. For a while, Western analysts noticed Chinese components inside Russian weapons, like the Gannon 2 combat drones, but few understood the true depth of this connection. This isn't a temporary arrangement. It's a long-term strategic alignment. So, how worried should the United States and its allies be? According to General Christopher Cavoli, the head of U.S. European Command, the numbers are staggering. Russia's defense industry has exploded. It's now churning out 1,500 tanks, 3,000 armored vehicles, and 200 ballistic and cruise missiles every single year. To put that in perspective, the U.S. currently manufactures only about 135 tanks annually, and no new Bradley fighting vehicles at all. This isn't just a production gap. It's an industrial revolution on a wartime footing. Russia has converted commercial factories into military plants, running 24/7 to sustain its war effort, and with China's quiet support, that momentum is only accelerating. Russian ammunition factories are now producing around 250,000 artillery shells every month. That's 3 times the combined output of the United States and Europe. The result is a massive, self-sustaining war machine built for a long, drawn-out conflict. At the same time, Russia has dramatically improved its electronic warfare capabilities. They are deploying new jamming systems developed with real-time feedback from the battlefield. Now, any drone entering Russian-controlled airspace faces multiple layers of defense: detection, disruption, and destruction. While Ukraine continues to rely on Western-supplied equipment, Russia's partnership with China gives it a steady, reliable, and ever-improving pipeline of technology. These Chinese radars and jammers are Russia's new eyes and ears, completely reshaping how it fights. Of course, China has its own strategic reasons for this cooperation. By supporting Russia, it gains invaluable battlefield data and real-time feedback on its military technology against Western systems, all without firing a single shot itself. It's the ultimate field test. And this power projection isn't limited to land. China's military might extends to the seas in a truly astonishing way. Its shipbuilding capacity is now unmatched, estimated to be nearly 200 times larger than that of the United States. To put it another way, experts believe China can build more warships in a single month than the US can in an entire year. The implications of this are enormous. A Russia backed by Chinese technology and industry isn't just surviving Western sanctions. It's adapting, evolving, and growing stronger. Together, they are creating a blueprint for a new kind of war, for one that is fast, flexible, and fueled by relentless production. So, what does this all mean for NATO and the West? It means the old rules of engagement are obsolete. The era when Western powers could count on having superior technology is fading. The new competition is all about speed, who can innovate faster, build cheaper, and deploy sooner. The Russia-China partnership signals the dawn of a new global order, one built on shared technology, industrial efficiency, and a common goal of challenging Western dominance. Officially, China remains neutral in the Ukraine war, but its fingerprints are all over the battlefield. From the radar systems scanning the skies, to the electronic warfare units, blinding enemy drones. And while the West debates its next move, Russia and China are already rewriting the rules of the game. The future of warfare won't belong to the biggest army, but to the smartest and fastest one. Right now, the East is proving it can learn and adapt quicker than anyone anticipated. As this alliance deepens, one thing becomes crystal clear. This isn't just a war over territory. It's a war over technology, production, and who will control the battlefields of tomorrow. If the West doesn't wake up and respond with equal speed and innovation, it may soon find itself facing a new superpower alliance that has already tested its strength, one radar pulse at a time. Thanks for watching. If you found this analysis insightful, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive. See you in the next one.